Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We are making breakfast here at Coop to Grill this morning, and you guys have seen me make breakfast a million times. However, what you haven't seen is our newest gadget. Check this out. We got a butter cutter.
Oh, here we go.
That thing is going to be cool. Buddy of mine sent me a link to this, so we had to try it out, because if you guys are like me, you take a stick of butter, you set it down next to your grill, gets all melty, right? You cooking with it, you grab the spatula, you cut a little bit off of it, now you got mess all over your butter, and your wife is mad at you because you can't use it for anything else. You're happy because you can't use it for anything else. But we're going to fix what? We're going to fix that problem today. We got ourselves a stick of butter and a butter cutter. Ooh. This is like that show How It's Made. Look at, that's what they do. It's just a little slicer. All right. Butter goes in here.
What is it?
Are you watching?
I'm trying.
We'll get on top of it.
Oh,
yeah.
oh my Lord.
See, it's already down a little bit.
What is it?
It's the butter pusher.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Interesting.
So you keep that in. This locks it in place. We'll stick of butter. Drop it in there and put the cap on. Ooh, we are in business. Ready to go. Oh, look at that.
It's butter.
I want two of them. Ha ha.
That one.
This is awesome.
It's cute.
All right, first thing we're going to cook with this is potatoes. They've been sitting out a little bit, but that's not going to hurt anything.
They will still taste like potatoes.
They are going to taste like potatoes. You know, I was really excited for the butter cutter until I used it.
Oh.
And now I'm even more excited. That was way more fun than I thought it was going to be, which is saying something, because, you know, it's not every guy that gets excited over slicing butter.
Huh. Maybe it's a Wisconsin thing.
Probably a Wisconsin thing. Now that you got your taters good and coated, we're going to season them up. You know, you can do the traditional salt and pepper, but we really like to get fancy around here. We're going to use the Blackstone's cheese steak seasoning. This is really good on everything. If you guys haven't tried this on your deviled eggs yet, man, that's a game changer. There we go. We're going to let that go. We're going to throw our bacon on here, but I just really wanted to show you guys that butter cutter. You're going to see that in a lot of upcoming videos. Everything that we do on the Blackstone, pretty much everything takes butter. We're going to do a little bit of this. Ha ha! Yeah! Oh, man, and these potatoes are already browning up. So we did a little trick today. Saw on another channel. Where we microwaved our potatoes. And I made a mistake of peeling them before I put them in the microwave. I won't do that again. But if you want your potatoes to cook a little bit faster on the griddle, just throw them in the microwave for a few minutes. I think I did mine for 3 for these 4 baby reds that I had. I think the potatoes need a little bit more butter.
I just know you would like using the butter cutter.
I do like using the butter cutter. We're going to get some toast going here. If you guys haven't cooked your toast on the Blackstone yet, you're really missing out. This is my absolute favorite way. And now it's my favorite way to use butter too. Oh man, this is so good.
There you go.
Yeah, that one got it. Take these and pull these up to the front where it's not so hot. And we're going to get our eggs going.
Woohoo!
Well, our potatoes are finishing up. Oh, this is just coming along together perfectly. I tell you what, I really do like that microwave trick for the potatoes. It took way less time.
Ooh, pretty. Oh my.
And on the eggs, we really like this Boar's Night Out. Double butter garlic.
No, double garlic butter.
Double garlic butter! That's really good. Look at how golden
beautiful.
Perfect this toast is. Oh my goodness, that one needs a little more. We'll put that over here for a second.
That is pretty perfect. You and that butter cutter.
I know, I've been waiting so long. We've had this thing, seriously, in our house for like a month, and I just have not had the time to get out here to do it justice, and I really wanted to make sure we are. I think we are.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for cooking breakfast with us here at Coop de Grill. Thanks for checking out the butter cutter. Anyways, thanks again, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Helps grow our channel.
Don't put your finger in it. Do you want to look at the instructions? Asked every woman ever, and the man says,
I don't need those thinking instructions.
there's the good stuff. Okay. You want the trash can moved?
No, it's fine.
Did you just rub that bacon in the butter?
I know.
Yikes. No one will ever ask how we died.
No, that's a fact.
Have you seen them cook?
Yeah.
And why are we ruining the eggs?
Well, it's the way that the dogs like them.
Are you serious?
Well, they can't make their own eggs.
That's a good point.
Yeah. They like it. They deserve it. They've been good all week.
Yeah.
Look at her. She's my #1 fan right there. You think I'm going to skip her breakfast? Come on.
Never. She's such a good girl.
Yeah.
She's watching you, too. She says, ooh, egg.
I am taking the bacon.
Taking the bacon off.
It's like the cake, only tastier.
That's true. I'd rather have bacon than cake any day.
Tell me those potatoes don't just look freaking awesome.
Yes, the potatoes look awesome.
Do you know why they look so awesome?
Because you made them.
With the butter cutter.
The butter cutter? Okay. All right, people, if you want perfect potatoes, apparently you need a butter cutter.
You need a butter cutter.
I think you just like saying butter cutter.
You know what? It's fun.
It's just fun. I kind of like it, too.
And if you want to see more of this stuff here with us, too, in it, she puts them over here. Yeah, I got it right that time. Right here. We're going to go have breakfast. You go watch that.